Hey friends, we can create amazing websites using WordPress. In this video, we are going to create a unique category website, and this is for feminine life coach. And the theme that we are going to use and overview is Lyfes, and it is a wonderful theme for feminine life coach and speaker websites. This is a full site edit WordPress theme, and it is now going to be new era of full site edit WordPress themes. And I'm happy to record this video as this theme is very new on the Envato market. It came into existence just few days back, and I'm happy to record in this video that I am covering this wonderful layout WordPress theme that has been developed by Zag Theme. They are Power Elite author at Envato Market ThemeForest.net, and you are going to enjoy creating a wonderful website using this theme, I'm sure. So embrace the new age of WordPress editor with full site editing FSE, modern theme crafted for feminine life coach powered by advanced WordPress full site editing. And it has 17 plus template websites. So we are going to use all these things in this video while we are going to create a demo website using this theme, Gutenverse, and Gutenverse features as well. Okay, so this is our target website, and I'm sure you are going to like this layout. It is very simple to edit and handle the website using this theme. But yes, don't decide this theme or any other theme until you understand its complete features. So this is not a promotional video. I'm just giving you an overview of Lyfes WordPress theme, and you have many choices on this channel itself. And I am sure you are already a subscriber to this channel. And if you are watching the videos on this channel very first time, please subscribe and press the bell button if you really want to create amazing websites using WordPress. This is a channel that can give you complete overview. And you have option to join the iCreate program as well to make a complete website with the help of mentors. So the theme is available just for $19. So it is again an amazing opportunity that comes with the quality check by Envato, the full future updates, and the 6 month dedicated support, direct support from the theme developer itself. So you even don't need us. So the theme developer will help you in all aspects. Okay. So now I'm ready with this core and fresh installation of WordPress, and it is using the default 2025 WordPress theme. The website is looking like this. And as always, I'm using this shared hosting plan, cPanel based hosting plan that you can also avail through the video description link at WP Themes website at a very nominal, negligible price. Yes, negligible. Yes, correct. Okay, so now in the theme pack, I have this installable theme file, which is just 2.6 MB inside. Very lightweight theme. It is going to be superb. And if we check the internal pages, so I'll open the about page super fast. Services just opens in a blink. So even it is not taking a second. So we have every reason to start creating an amazing website using this theme. To begin, we can simply open the appearance section for the themes, and here we can add new theme by choosing the installable theme file, upload theme, choose the file that is lyfes.zip. Don't try to upload the complete folder, so only lyfes.zip is to be selected. Click on install now. It will hardly take few seconds since theme file size is really well optimized. Got installed within 2 seconds, yes. And we can go to the theme page just to check the details. Feminine is Lyfes. Lyfes is here. Along with the default theme, we can check the details. This is very first version. This is new theme. Activate it. Upon activation, we have this welcome page that is saying, it says we need to install required plugins. And yes, Gutenverse is here with the Gutenverse form and Gutenverse companion. So we can simply install these plugins in a single click. It takes a while. The progress bar will tell us the status, and we can move ahead once these three plugins gets installed. So Gutenverse is the Gutenberg blog and website builder for site editor, template library, pop-up builder, advanced animation effects, and 45 plus three user-friendly blogs. So there is a pro version as well, but free version is enough for creating this website that we are targeting. Gutenberg form as a form builder, and for Gutenberg block editor, and this is next is companion. So all these three plugins has been successfully installed, and we can move next. Now we have option to import the demo content, and here we can select what we actually want to import. Either you can select selected pages, and for fresh installation we have option to import all pages at once. So definitely we are getting this new website, so we will import all pages. This is option. Further we have choice to full import or import without menu. So we will go with the full menu and full import and simply start import. Now the screen says the progress, the home page is being imported, and similarly all the internal page will be covered in this import process, and we just need to wait without disturbing the process. It is going to be super fine, and after that, after this process gets complete, we will get a complete website with all setup inner pages as well. So home page is completed. Next is the about page. Again, it is going to take a while. It is also completed. In just few seconds, in a minute or so, we will get the complete pages. So you can see the speed. It is going super fast, and now finally importing the menu, and out of 9 had been successfully imported. Now we have this cool screen that is saying install demo completed, all demos successfully imported. Wonderful. Simply close this. At next, we have this option if we want to go for pro, but yes, we don't need this for the time being. Congratulations, all set. View dashboard. So the dashboard is being opened, and now I'm refreshing this page to open a new website. I believe everything is fine, and we will get all the segments, all the elements. So here it is, and it was really cool. So installation remained successful without any trouble, without any hassle. We got this complete website. It's not it easy, so it is really, and the speed you can see. I'm very impressed with this FSE WordPress theme, and the speed is really appreciable. So I have yet not used any speed enhancement tool. I'm simply using the shared hosting, minimal hosting, and the website is amazing and cool, super fast and wonderful in look as well. So it goes without saying that you can go with this theme. It is going to give you a wonderful website project. And now I'm taking you to the back end again. Okay. New Gutenberg setup. So we can complete this setup. Simply install and activate Gutenberg. It is for Guten icon and the font awesome. So it is complete again. Okay. So now we have this welcome screen. So first of all, I'll show you the Gutenverse. In the ecosystem, we have options, further options. So we can even switch to the pro version just in case if it is required. So we have already installed the form and the Gutenverse blocks, and further we have control on the flexi wrapper and whatever we want elements that we want to use, like the submit button, the switch, and the text area input. So it is for the Gutenverse editor, so the page editor you can say, and it is simply enabling the features by using by toggle buttons. So it is really very cool. So if just in case if you need any pro features, so you can go for pro versions as well. However, it is enough. All the features that is available for free is enough for handling this particular website. In the setting, we have the custom font, the form settings, and the font icon, the template, the front end, and the editor as well. System status will let us know and everything is fine in the server side and all. And in case there is an update, we can have the update notice here. And in the form area, we can simply create the form actions. So form actions can be created here. I mean new form also, whatever is required for your website. And nothing is additional here. So it is uncluttered website, very clean and easy to handle website. You have nothing to do, like there is no page editor because it is a full site edit. So we are going to edit the content and the blocks as itself. So here is the Lyfes dashboard that I have already shown you. Yes, so this is the same dashboard. So we have already used the required plugins, installed demo and all. Okay, nice. So if we talk about the pages, we have received all the pages in the demo import, about and internal pages, front page and all. And we got some media items as well. Ultimately, we have to use our own media, but yes, and the abstract images can be used directly. And for editing the content, it is going to be more than easy. So simply open the page, click on edit page, and you will be able to handle the content on the page. Full site edit, you can add new blocks as well. And for editing the content, simply click on the area. The editor will be enabled. Blocks, text, headers, and dynamic data, the text highlights, and the simply editor, you can say. And further in the right sidebar, right column, you can have more options like positioning, alignment, and spacing and all. Just keep in mind you have to use the same dimension of image, same length of text content so that you may maintain the existing design integrity of the website. Rest of things are going to be super fine. So in this video, we created this demo website using this Lyfes WordPress theme, and it is more than easy and you can easily understand. You don't need any technical skill for doing all these things. Still, if you have any question, you are welcome to write any question in the comments, and it is a good idea to join the iCreate program after buying the theme. So it is going to be very free for you, and you can directly join the program as well. Stay to chat with a mentor for clearing all your doubts regarding the WordPress website. Okay. So we have this wonderful website with the Lyfes, and in the next video, I'm coming with more resources for your WordPress website. Till then, goodbye. Keep watching. Thank you.